Hello everyone, this is TOYSREVIL. This is a surprise review of AR Skull series Skull Rider by AnonymousRidicule. The branding for you, bro. Hope you enjoy it. This is a very last minute surprise review, as I am in the middle of a production right now. My day job, and I haven't really had a chance to literally touch toys for a while. And I had this figure in a box next to me for a little bit quite some time, and finally today I couldn't resist. I had to do a quick review, and yeah, before my production begins in the evening. So anyway, this is a look at the Skull Rider from AnonymousRidicule's AR Skull series at this Instagram live. Let's have a look at the figure. Do a quick turn around. This is the unpainted grey blank figure. You can see the immaculate details. Later we'll go take a closer look at the articulations and whatnot. This is sized 170 mm, which is about 17 cm tall, across a height with 13 cm, 130 mm across. So this is a more boxish figure than it is tall, in a super with deformed aesthetic concept of a big head, much wider body and smaller legs. Okay, articulation is on the arms. Power punch, which is cool. And that's it. And legs as well. 2 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4 points of articulation. I think you can take it apart. I'm not going to try and take it apart. Yes, based on the images that is seen on AnonymousRidicule.com, where you can purchase this figure, you can take the legs and arms apart. Yeah, great for customization, I guess. Can't really take the head apart. You can see from the details, as we're going to do right now, it's immaculately sculpted with full-on details, bro. These 3-dimensional relief details. Can I focus? Yeah. So this is hardcore detailing going on right here. Yeah. So for folks who want to customize this, right? Hell of a lot of things to paint, baby. AR logo. Soft vinyl. Not as soft, hard, not squishy, except for the arms here. But the body is solid hard. Everything else is solid hard except for the legs and the arms. You can see the squishing here. So in other words, you can cut into it. You're going to do scarring or battle damage versions, which would be pretty awesome lah. What has been also available for sale is the first colorway, full-on colorway from the Kamen Rider aesthetics, inspired aesthetics. But yes, this blank gray is available for sale right now. I think it's 128. Yes, it's 128 USD excluding shipping. Epic love. Wow, nice. I mean, I don't have the rest of his releases right next to me. I'll do group pictures and post on my Instagram, upload on my Instagram in time. But right now, it's Skull Rider is a focus here. You can see the details, right? Apologies for my crap-looking nails. On production, my nails are always horrid, and I keep it long because then I can scrape at things. Sorry, sidetrack. Nothing to do with toys, but it's a part of my life. Yeah. Happy? You happy, folks? You happy seeing this? Head to AnonymousRidicule.com to snag this baby. Not just because I got it as a gift, but because this is rock and roll toy lah. Right, do I need to really remind you this is rock and roll? Nice lah. Thanks for this, bro. And for everyone else who tuned in to my Instagram live and will continue to do so when I put this on my live, I will thank you for watching. Thank you, Carlos. I think it's cool too. I'll see you all again soon. Very soon. Bye-bye.